introduction to heat stress or sauna use, anything that increases your core temperature is a good challenge or stimulus that will influence hormones and recovery processes in your body. The idea or goal is to get the challenge over 100 degrees. So you could do a bath, you could do a jacuzzi or a hot tub, or you could do a sauna. The research shows that sauna stress, or the hottest temperature, is the most optimal or most beneficial. So anything kind of over that 100-degree mark, you can progress it over time. I get into a sauna that's about 180 degrees. That is, roughly about 120 to 140 degrees in the air temperature. So progress it over time, depending on what your modality is. And then you're going to start out maybe 5 to 10 minutes of that heat stress. And again, you can progress this over time. So our ultimate long-term goal is to try to work up to 20 to 60 minutes of a heat challenge or heat stress. And then this is something that you want to start out doing kind of every other day, 3 to 4 times a week. And then you can progress it up to 5, 6, 7 days a week. There are better benefits the more frequently you do it. So again, the bottom line is we're trying to shock or challenge or create a stimulus to heat shock proteins. This influences hormones and the recovery process of the body. And what this does is it creates kind of this thermo challenge or stress that increases your metabolism and increases your metabolic or calorie consumption. So you can use this modality for kind of that weight loss, fat loss tool. So very simple to do. Let me know if you have any questions.